the Xhale Romance. Separate toilet area, double sinks, couple drawers, a rain shower head. There's an espresso coffee machine. And usually these things are up on the counter, but due to COVID, they have them put away. You can customize your mini bar, and being in the Xhale Club gets you some snacks and some of the liquor bottles. The closet is going to have your beach towels, robes, and a safe. And moving into the bedroom, it's a little desk area, sitting area, and the king size bed. There are only 5 of these romance suites, and there is 1 on every floor, and they are corner rooms. And this is the view.